G'day, Rowan from JTS. We've just finished up work on the 79 series. We've done a bit of a clean up under the hood. We've put a system in behind the seats, and then we've got a remote box in the canopy. So come in a little bit closer and we'll show you the remote box. So up here on the rear board, we've put in a nice aluminium plate. We put the box in and wired it all up. So this unit's got underbody lights, so it's like an ambient orange light which comes out, really good for when you're camping and that. They are RGB, so you can change the colour as well. We've got overhead lights in white and amber. We've got LEDs under, as I said. The pump's wide in there. There's a rear light for when they're doing their cooking and stuff out the back. The drawer comes out the back and they do their cooking out there. We've also got USB ports for the rooftop tent, and we've got LEDs. Up on top, we've put in a 120 or volta panel, so really nice small unit, but it'll put out enough energy to keep this baby rolling. We'll have a quick look inside. All right, so in behind the seat here in the Land Cruiser, there's quite a bit of room. So what we've got is a 210 amp hour Pro Volt slimline tucked down the bottom here. And we've also built an aluminium plate here so that we can put all the charging stuff on it. So we've got a Core 40 from Red Arc, the BCDC 40. All the fuses in line there. We've got a shunt, and that goes through to the BMV as well, which is outside, so you can see your state of charge and that. A 240 charger for topping up at home, and tucked down in here is a small inverter as well, because this customer wants to run their Starlink off grid, so we've got the inverter there to do that for them. Also inside, we've got power here for another fridge, and that's so that he can have freeze and fridge in the one go. All right, if you want a system like this in your Land Cruiser or any vehicle, give us a call, comment down below, and we'll get you looked after.